Imagine living in a student accommodation that feels like a vacation each day. Make this dream come true only at Steelhouse Columbus. Choose from elegant ensuite and lavish one-bedroom apartments, featuring stylish walk-in closets, premium wood-style plank flooring, and a washer and dryer in-unit to tackle laundry breezily. Dive into the sparkling resort-style pool for a splash, or hit the fitness center for an intense workout. With parking, elevator access, and 24-hour emergency services, this property gives you ultimate convenience. Relax by the fire pit or refuel at the Starbucks coffee bar. Even Wi-Fi is free, so entertainment, FaceTimes, and assignments are all super simple. Bring your fur babies along with you to this pet-friendly space. With The Ohio State University and Columbus College of Art and Design just a short drive away, your timely arrival to class is inevitable. For quick expeditions around the city, just hop on the bus from Northwest Boulevard and King Avenue, a stroll away. A world of culinary delights awaits around this stunning property. So, grab your spot at Steelhouse Columbus now with amberstudent.com.